Okay, just a nice little bit of that.
All right, homeboy. This is a copycat of the Sonic Nerd Slush. So we can
It's
start off.
spiked.
Yes, it's spiked. We can start off with some soda water, right?
I'm going with like half the soda water.
Nice little bit. Because I need that to help this stuff dissolve. Come behind with some sugar.
Whoa.
Yeah, look at the sugar just sizzling.
Or bubbling. Our blue raspberry Kool-Aid. Okay? Or any blue color. But the only one I found is blue raspberry.
There's a paler one too.
A pale blue? What's it called?
I don't know, like mixed berry or something.
But they never have that at the store.
Yeah, they did.
Today?
Okay, just a nice little bit of that.
All right, guys. Now we coming behind that with our ice. Should I add the booze now or?
Doesn't really matter.
So now we got our ice in there. Let's come behind with some booze. How much of
What
this?
kind of booze is that? You didn't show
Oh,
me.
sorry, homeboy. Blue raspberry vodka. How much of this we got in?
3 ounces.
Okay. I eyeballing, so that's
I
probably.
love blue raspberry.
Guys, look how clear ice just became. You saw that? Clear ice, I live for it. Take our course, you can learn how to make it. Rev your car engine, homeboy. You damage your car, but it's fun. Okay. Can't get over the testing. They don't rev. I mean, they kind of rev, right?
They make noise. Okay, now we pour this in. Oh boy, now we can get a nice little. Oh, it's chunky, but you want it chunky because if it ain't chunky, you can't get a mountain. You see, like I'm trying to build a mountain right now. Okay,
You see that? You see that little mountain, homeboy? Now guess what? Guess what, homeboy? We come in with our straw. And now you follow that up with some nerds.
I love nerds. They make everything so cute.
yeah, they make a better world. You know, with all the computer stuff, quantum computing.
I missed the front.
Oh Lord, you going all in?
At the front.
But I can't get the thing on the front.
Okay? The thing's not sticking to the front, man. And there you have it. The spiked copycat Sonic Nerd Slush. Sonic, please don't sue us.
Just sue us. This is just a copycat of your stuff, okay? You
This
wait.
is like a TikTok drink.
Yeah, you way better than we are, Sonic. And guys, drink responsibly. Don't drink and drive. By the way, follow me on TikTok at Real Tipsy Bartender, all right? And stay tipsy. Later.